What is up, guys? It's your boy Rexy and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start making some money and start using on traffic. So in my last video, guys, I show you guys step by step how I am using paid traffic to start making some money on Clickbank, guys. And if you don't have any money to get started, here are some of the methods that you can use to start making this amount of money, and you can use it in paid traffic, guys. So in paid traffic, you need money to use in paid traffic, but if you don't have any money, you need money to get started. So you cannot make a lot of money if you're using only free traffic, but you can also make a lot of money from free traffic as well. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys some free methods that you can go and use them, and you can start get some money. And once you start running advertisements and they start working, you can increase the money that you put in the advertisements, and you are going to make a lot more money that way. So if you're new to the channel, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get notified time that I post these videos that can help you to make money online and also make money from Clickbank. So let's get on to the video. Let me show you guys how you can do this step by step. So the first step, guys, is that if you don't have any money to get started on Clickbank, you can go to my channel. So if you go to my channel and click on home, so if you go to home, you're going to see this playlist, guys. So let's go right down. You're going to see this playlist. So this playlist is make money online, and some of them I show you guys some of my best Fiverr methods I can use and start making some extra money. Use this money and reinvest it in paid traffic. So the money that I'm using to use on paid traffic right now is money that I want to work on Fiverr. So I've been doing some freelancing on Fiverr, and now I'm taking this money and I'm using on paid traffic. So if you go through this make money online playlist, you are going to find a lot of methods, and some of them are my Fiverr methods, and those Fiverr methods have helped me to make some extra money very fast. And if you also click the first link in the description, I'm going to leave the link first link in the description. A training is a training that you can also go and you teach you step by step how you can go and start making some extra money on Fiverr. So this is very important if you don't have any money to get started, because you cannot make a lot of money if you are using only free traffic. You can make a lot of money from free traffic, but it's going to take time. So you want to make money fast, you need money to invest in paid traffic. And also, guys, that I show you guys many methods that you can use to make money online. So just say, for example, slideshow video. If you go and do slideshow videos on Fiverr, you can see slideshow videos. This person selling for $30, for $10. I can see he has up to 224 5-star reviews, and $5 one's $10. And I show you guys other websites like people per hour that you can go and release this type of services. And to make money from this type of services, guys, is very easy. So let's say, for example, you have to do slideshow videos and provide this service on Fiverr and make some extra money there so that you can go and reinvest on paid traffic. All you have to do is just go to YouTube. So I'll show you guys, you can just go to YouTube and search, for example, how to create a slideshow video using HitFilm Express. So HitFilm Express is also a software that you can go and use for completely free, and you can create these slideshow videos very easily, guys. So if you just search for this, for example, on YouTube, you're going to find all these tutorials that you can just go and watch them, and you can start listing this service, guys. So if you watch some of my videos in those playlists, I show you guys a lot of methods that you can go and use and make money from Fiverr, guys. So you are also going to click the first link in the description. You are going to see my step-by-step method as well that you can use and start making some extra money on Fiverr. Use this method and reinvest it in paid traffic, guys. So you can see some of my results. So I'm making some extra money on Clickbank as well. So most of the money that I'm using on Clickbank to invest in the paid traffic method I show you guys in the last video. So if you have not watched the last video, you should go and watch the last video as I show you guys step by step how you can run YouTube ads and make a lot of money from there. So I'm making some extra money from YouTube ads, and I'm also using some free traffic methods and Instagram shoutouts, guys. So you can see I made up to $1,000 in one day, guys, and this is not overnight. So I've been working on this, I've been learning. It has been years that I've been working on Clickbank before I've reached at this level. So I'm just working on this consistently, and I'm also running paid traffic, and I'm using this money that I make from on the side, and I'm using this to make some extra money. So that's it, guys. All you have to do is go and watch the videos, take action and use, and start making some extra money. If you have some money already, just go and watch my last video. So in my last video, I show you guys step by step how I make $530 in one day. If you watch this video step by step and implement it, guys, you're going to get results. So all of this money, guys, is not from profit. So there's some from paid ads. So I'm using paid ads. I'm getting some free sales as well from my Instagram page. So my Instagram free traffic methods I've shown you guys in this channel as well. And also I'm using some Instagram influencers to promote my affiliate offers as well. So the reason why this works very well, guys, that you want to take action of this paid traffic method I showed you guys in the last video is because a lot of people are only using Facebook advertisements. So everybody's on Facebook advertisements. So there are very few people that are using YouTube ads and Google advertisements. So this is the time for you to go and profit from this. So take advantage of this opportunity right now and start mastering or using YouTube ads to start driving traffic back to your affiliate offers. And you can get a lot more cheaper clicks and you can make a lot more profit from using YouTube ads. So I believe that is the main reason that why this is working very well, is because everybody's on Facebook, so many people are not advertising on YouTube. So go and take advantage of this and take action of this method right today. So don't forget to take action on the methods. If you don't take any action, you're not going to make any money at all. So the secret is taking action, and you are going to fail many times, but if you continue taking action, you are going to start getting some results. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that I'll continue to make these videos that can help you to make some extra money online. And if you enjoyed the video, guys, be sure to share the video as well so that other people can benefit from this method, and if they implement it, they're going to start getting results. So that's it, guys. If you want to support the channel, just subscribe to the channel and share or leave a like on the video as well. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.